If you have the original taillight lenses in your F-100, chances are they're cracked, leaking, or just not looking their best, so today we're going to replace them in our 1971 F-250. These taillight lenses are designed to be a direct fit reproduction taillight lens for your 1964 to 72 F-100. They're made of factory grade fade resistant plastic with the correct SAE markings and the Ford logo, so they'll look and perform just like the originals. These taillight housings are sold separately or as a pair, and for more information on them and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Okay, as you can see, our taillight lenses are pretty faded and they have overspray on them. They weren't taped off the best when this truck was painted, so they definitely need to be replaced, and all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Grab your nice new shiny lens, and place it onto the taillight housing, and thread in the screws. It does come with 2 new screws that look a whole lot better than our old rusty ones. Alright, that looks a lot better. We can do the other side. Okay, we got our new taillight lenses installed on our 71 F-250. They're looking a whole lot better. They're a lot more glossier. They really do add a nice touch to the rear of this truck. So much so that they make these reflectors look like crap, so we'll have to replace these soon as well. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, maybe 10 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, click this playlist.